Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Flip It Bottle Emptying Kit is probably one of the most innovative solutions to hit the market for anyone who's ever struggled with getting the last bit of product out of bottles, from lotions and shampoos to condiments and craft supplies, making it an indispensable tool for reducing waste and saving money. Number 5. Flip It Premium Bottle Emptying Kit, Pastel Color Edition. Are you tired of throwing away product that's still left in the bottle? With this kit, you can finally get every last drop you paid for. It's designed to work with most standard screw-top plastic bottles. This means you can use it on a wide variety of products you already own. Say goodbye to shaking and cutting bottles. This simple system uses gravity to dispense your product effortlessly. Simply replace your bottle's cap with this device, stand it upside down, and open the valve. Gravity does the rest for easy dispensing. It fits most plastic bottles and comes in a lovely pastel color edition. You can even flip up to 2 bottles at once. This popular product has been featured on major TV shows like Shark Tank, QVC, HSN, and Good Morning America. It's a fan favorite for a reason. What we like? This kit ensures you get every bit of product you've paid for. Say goodbye to shaking and pounding bottles. If you're tired of product waste and want a simple solution for shampoos, lotions, and more, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great invention for getting the last bit of product out of bottles. It works on a variety of bottle sizes and types. The kit is easy to use and set up. Number 4. Juvale 6-pack 8-ounce swing top glass bottles. Keep your homemade extracts and oils fresh for longer. Our airtight seals ensure maximum flavor retention, making them perfect for all your infusions. Create unique and thoughtful gifts for the holidays. These bottles are ideal for homemade hot sauces and other festive treats, adding a personal touch to any celebration. Cleaning is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe bottles. A handy brush is included, so they're always ready for your next delicious creation. Elevate your kitchen's aesthetic with these stylish glass bottles. They offer a sophisticated alternative to plastic and are perfect for showcasing your homemade infused oils. This set includes 6 clear bottles, perfect for organizing your pantry or creating custom holiday gifts. Use them for extracts, syrups, or even fermentation. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with an airtight seal. It locks in freshness and flavor, ensuring your contents are always at their best. What we like? These bottles are perfect for retaining the flavor of homemade extracts and oils with their airtight seals. They also add a sophisticated touch for holiday gifting. If you are looking for stylish, reusable bottles for homemade goodies or to reduce plastic use, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great product to get the last bit of product out of bottles. It works on all types of bottles, from shampoo to lotion. The kit comes with different sizes to fit most bottles. Number 3. Flip It Bottle Emptying Kit, 6-pack. Tired of throwing away product that's still left in the bottle? Our innovative kit ensures you use every last drop, maximizing your value. Switching out your bottle's original cap is a breeze with our patented design. Simply activate the valve and let gravity do the work for you. It's perfect for all your thick liquids, from shampoos and conditioners to gels and lotions. Say goodbye to the last drop dilemma. Built to last, this product is washable and reusable, making it ideal for your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room. It's a sustainable solution for your home. We prioritize your health. It's made from food-safe, BPA-free materials, and is also dishwasher-safe for easy and convenient cleaning. This pack includes multiple base caps and adapters in various sizes. They are designed to fit most standard screw-top bottles worldwide. Yes, this innovative product even caught the eye of the sharks on Shark Tank. It's a testament to its incredible effectiveness and practicality. What we like? This extended edition maximizes value by ensuring every last drop is used. Its patented design makes switching caps easy, and it's made with food-safe materials. If you use a lot of thick liquids like gels or lotions and want a durable, reusable solution, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great idea and it works really well to get the last bit of product out of bottles. It is easy to use and saves you money by not wasting product. The kit is well made and durable, and it fits most standard bottles. Number 2. Pinnacle Mercantile 16-ounce Condiment Squeeze Bottles 6-pack. Streamline your meal prep, topping bars, and packed lunches with these convenient squeeze bottles. They keep your favorite sauces and dressings neatly contained and easy to access, making organization effortless in any busy kitchen or creative space. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free material, these bottles safely contain your liquids while resisting stains and odors. Cleanup is a breeze as they are top-rack dishwasher safe, allowing you to focus on flavor and creativity. Experience a clean, targeted stream with the precision red tip and secure cap. This design prevents drips, keeps labels readable, and protects your surfaces, allowing you to move confidently from fridge to table. Designed for repeated use, these bottles maintain their shape and resist cracking. They offer a dependable solution for busy cooking sessions or crafting marathons, ensuring long-lasting performance. Embrace a low-waste routine with these refillable bottles. Their 16-ounce capacity reduces single-use containers and helps keep pantry buys neatly portioned, supporting more sustainable daily habits. The streamlined 16-ounce size provides perfect control and easy handling. Enjoy precise application whether you're cooking up a storm or working on your next craft project. What we like. These bottles keep your favorite sauces and dressings neatly contained and easy to access, streamlining meal prep. The leak-proof design prevents drips and protects surfaces. If you're a busy home cook or crafter looking for a reliable, refillable solution for sauces, oils, or craft supplies, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great idea and it works really well to get the last bit of product out of bottles. It is very easy to use and saves you money by not wasting product. The kit comes with multiple sizes to fit different bottles. Number 1. Pinnacle Mercantile Easy Squeeze Plastic Condiment Bottles. Tired of struggling with thick sauces? Our bottles feature a large spout designed for easy flow, so you can dispense your favorite condiments without any hassle. The attached lid ensures you'll never lose it and keeps contents fresh. These bottles aren't just for the kitchen. Use them for syrups, sauces, and dressings, or even organize your bathroom with shampoos, conditioners, and lotions. They're perfect for reducing clutter and keeping things tidy. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, these bottles are built to last yet remain incredibly squeezable. Their translucent design lets you see the contents, and the wide mouth makes refilling a breeze. Refilling is simple thanks to the wide mouth opening. When it's time to clean, just pop them on the top rack of your dishwasher. They're designed for convenience. Support American jobs with these professional quality squeeze bottles. They come shrink-wrapped for protection and are sold in a convenient pack of 6. What we like. These bottles feature a large dispensing hole for thick liquids, eliminating the need to cut tops. The attached flip-top cap prevents loss and keeps contents fresh. If you need easy-to-use, durable squeeze bottles for condiments in the kitchen or toiletries in the bathroom, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great idea and works as advertised. It is a very simple concept that works perfectly to get the last bit of product out of bottles. I have used it on several different types of bottles and it works great on all of them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.